EQI 2.0, the third element, the interpersonal realm. What is the interpersonal realm? It is the ability to build mutually beneficial relationships, and not just build them, but to maintain them. All right, it's made up of three elements. 1, interpersonal relationships. 2, empathy. And then 3, social responsibility. So as we go through these, think about yourself, think about someone you might be mentoring and coaching, and it also asks you to think about your team. And if you have to fill a position, how important is this for the position that you're filling? So the interpersonal relationships, building mutually beneficial relationships. And I think of this one as not being awkward. It's the ability to step into an environment, read the environment, to start a conversation, to build the relationship so that folks trust you, you're dependable, you're reliable. That's what this is all about. So mutually beneficial interpersonal relationship. In the workplace, you see how important that these are. So the ability to build them, maintain them, so that way you trust each other, they're dependable, you depend on each other, you can get things done. So that's interpersonal relationships. Next one, empathy. I use 2 words to think about this one: prototype and perspective. It's the ability to understand someone else's perspective. And it's not a case where you have to agree with them, it's just understanding. Someone comes to you extremely angry with something, you're a supervisor, it's easy to get defensive and lean in and say, okay, that's not my problem, that's yours. Lean back. Where are they coming from? The ability to listen to them and put yourself in their shoes and understand what drove them to this position. Remember, emotional intelligence is understanding your emotions, managing them, and their impact, and understand how they're impacting on others. That might be a case that person's really upset, but your ability to lean back, understand where they're coming from, and manage that situation can really make a difference for you as a leader and for that individual following you. All right, so empathy. Next one is social responsibility. And that can mean a lot of things to a lot of different people. And what I use that, the way I think about that is teamwork. It is the ability to contribute to society, to a large organization, to a small organization or a team, contribute to that organization, not expecting any benefit for yourself. Social responsibility, helping others out. So you could look at a team, think of a team that you're on where someone is low in this area. They don't show up on time, they don't contribute, they only do what they're told to do, they're only what they have to do. Then think about that other individual that's way on the other end of the spectrum. Comes in, does all they can, what can I do to help, how can I make this work, and they're just giving all their time to it. Where are they on this particular spectrum? Okay, so you can see how when you put all these together, how they help create and maintain mutually beneficial relationships. So, interpersonal realm, the 3 elements: interpersonal relationships, empathy, and social responsibility. All right, so we completed 3 of the 6 elements of EQI's elements of emotional intelligence.